Hey, this is Austin, data-driven marketer and agency owner, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to export custom reports from the Facebook advertising platform. And if you haven't already, make sure to press the subscribe button so you get notified when videos just like this come out in the future. Let's dive into it. Often people are looking for some way to have a daily report that they can export from the Facebook ad platform, but they don't know where to get it. So I'm going to hop out of my desktop and show you where you can actually export the Facebook custom report. Okay, so I am in the ads reporting. And so to get here, all you have to do is come up to measure and report ads reporting. You'll see it right here. Click that. Now, this is a really cool tool that Facebook offers for free because a lot of people like to do their work out of spreadsheets or out of whatever they're currently using. So all you'll do is come to the breakdowns, and you need to first choose what this will be broken down by. You know, a lot of times we're using campaign name, ad set name, ad ID, just so that we can really see what's going on. After that, then come over and choose your metrics. Your metrics are going to show you whatever you actually want to see, what you're keeping track of with your business. After you've got this completely set up, that's where you will come over and you will choose to, one, save it. You want to be able to save it, title it something that makes sense for you. And then once you do that, you're going to want to make sure that it is sending you email updates as often as you would like. So then what you want to do is make sure that you come over here, you click export, and you download it in the format that you want. Sometimes you get the ability to actually send it to your email every single morning so you can really see what's going on. But that doesn't show up sometimes because Facebook's running like 10,000 different versions at the same time. So when you do need it, you come over and export it in the format that you want. And that's it. It's that easy. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to comment below how it's helping you. Otherwise, make sure to press the subscribe button so you get notified when videos just like this come out in the future.